Hello everybody. Yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the rear brake pad and brake pad sensor on 2011 Mercedes GLK350. So this all tool that you needed. So the ratchet and number 8mm, and this one is a hex 7, number 7. You see it? And okay, let's get started, guys. So first of all, remove the the brake pad sensor plug out, and use number 8mm to remove the sensor right out the connector. All right, just remove it out. Just put this in place. Lock. And the cap. Okay. And remove the caliper slider in here, upper and lower. But the brake pad sensor, they have only one side, okay? Only on the passenger side one, front and rear they are the same, but on the driver side brake pad is no sensor. And after I finish the rear brake pad, I'm gonna show you guys too how to reset it in the scanner. Alright, so just remove it. You know, just changing the brake pad is very simple for almost every car, but the new car, like I think start from 2015 or 18 something, they use the electric parking brake, so they have the motor equipped with it. This one is old year. No, it's not. They don't have it one yet, so it's simple, very easy. Okay, one slider, remove the slider all the way out. Okay, we need to put some loop. It's almost out. So after this, I'm gonna show you the rear brake pad part number and the sensor. Okay, I supposed to tell you in the beginning, but totally forgot it. So either way, you know, like so don't forget to remove the slider out. Okay, you're gonna apply some caliper grease around that area to make it loop. Make sure clean up everything like all dirt or see it stuck and maybe okay, let me press the caliper system in. Make sure the caliper all the way in, okay? If the caliper stuck it, the piston stuck it, you have to replace the caliper, but this one no, it's not stuck it. But it's working properly. Move it out, and it's time to install it, guys. So on this on the rear brake pads. Part number is A007420852095, and the brake pad sensor, it doesn't have the part number, sorry, you know, like when you call the dealership, you just ask them for the brake pad sensor, they will tell you. So open the box. Open the box. Open the box and install the brake pad sensor. It's very simple to install it. Just plug and play, okay? Boom. Okay, let's install it. Before you install it, make sure, okay, fit it first, make sure it loose in and out. We don't want every brake pad installed with the stuck brake pad. It's not good, it's gonna ruin the rotor. Alright, so one in and this one is out. Looks perfect. And reinstall the caliper back in. And let me apply some special grease for the caliper slider. Yep. One in and the other one coming on the way. It's a very quick job that you can do it at home. If you guys want to save some money, you just follow me and you can save some money. Make sure spread it in by hand, okay? We don't want any jam. You're gonna damage to the slider. The thread inside here. So okay, perfect. Don't forget to put the slider cap, the caliper slider cap back, okay? We don't want any dirt get in. Okay, perfect. So gonna put the plug, the cap cover, and next we're gonna reinstall the sensor wire plug back. It's number 8mm, still the same. Right, don't forget to plug it back. And the last part, is all set right now. So don't forget guys, okay, after you replace the front brake pad or rear brake pad, doesn't matter. After you finish everything, go inside the car, step on the brake panel like a couple times, make sure it's hot, and you guys good to go. Okay, and that's all you need is how to remove and install the rear brake pad and rotor. Oh, it's not rotor, rear brake pad and sensor, sorry. And that's all. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video, and thank you.